to design one, only B and C segments will be there and rest of the segments will be off. So this is how one will look like. B and C segment on. So what I will do, B I'll keep 0, C I'll keep 0, and rest of the signals I'll keep it as 1. To design 2, I need to first of all, how the 2 will look like is segment F and C are removed. So since F and C are removed, switch it off F, I'll apply 1 here, and to C I will apply 1 here, and rest of the will be on, I will put 0. For 3, so this is how 3 will look like. F and E will be off. So to switch off F and E, I need to F and E should be off. So along with F, E, they are off, and rest of all they are on. So this is how 3 will look like. Why I am designing this? Because while designing 6 and 9, it is very important. 6, how you can show 6. So 6 is here. So you can design 6, or many of the students follow 6 in this way. This is also 6. So before that, that's why I need to tell you that you need to design it likewise. So I am taking this 6 now here in this way. I am considering the A section also. So this is the design for 6. So for design 6, only B will be switched off. So to switch off B, I'll place here 1, and rest of the things will be on. That is nothing but connected to 0. And for 9 also, if 6 is this way, so 9 should be also in this way. So 9 is like E, it should be off. So I'll put E off, and rest of the inputs or the gates or the segments will be on. This is how you'll design 9. 8, all the segments should be on. So what I will do, I'll put all the segments on. A on, B, C, D, E, F, G, all the segments are on. To design 7, only A, B, C are on. A, B, C, and rest of the things will be off. Likewise, you can make a design for 4 and 5 also. So this is how your 7 segment display is complete. You need to show the display part also along with this. And for we are using the 4-bit input BCD. So there are 4 bits. There are 16 combinations, out of which we are using only 10 combinations, 0 to 9. So combinations from 10 to 15, that is nothing but 1 0 1 0 all the way to 1 1 1 1. It should be don't care case, because we are designing particularly BCD to 7 segment. So all this section will be don't care, and there will be no output. Similarly, you can implement hexadecimal to 7 segment display in which all the 10 to 15s will be present. For the input 10, that is nothing but 1 0 1 0 combination, you can design A such as 10 11, that is nothing but A, B, C, D, E, and F. How you can show if you want to convert hex to 7 segments. So A you can show A as, this is A, this is small b. Such a way you can complete C, or you can use the small c. This is D, E, and finally F. So this is how you can use the following 10 to 15 outputs and convert hex to 7 segment display. So hex number will be displayed. Hope you enjoyed the lecture, and you can also design the same thing with the help of common cathode configuration. The table will be complemented, output table. All the zeros will be converted to 1 and all the ones will be converted to 0. Thank you for watching.